Hello guys, so welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you a simple tutorial on how you can find out the current version that you are using, the current version of CapCut PC that you are using. So first, you just need to open the CapCut apps. Here I've already opened mine, and then just go to settings at the top here. And when you click on that, you'll find the current version that you use or that I use, which is 1.6.1 in here. And if you want to update, you just need to wait until there will be a notifications from CapCut that you need to update the apps, and then you can just uh, click on update, or you can also click on check for updates to see if there are any updates from the CapCut PC. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click thanks, like, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.